How to make iPhone speak when plugged into charge. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom and tap on New Automation as shown. Here, tap on the search bar to search charger and select the charger option. Then, ensure that is connected is selected, then tap on Run immediately. After that, tap on Next at the top right corner to proceed to the next step. On this screen, use the search bar and type in Speak Text to find the action. Tap on the Speak Text action to add it to your automation workflow. Then, tap the blue text field and type in the phrase you want Siri to say. For example, you can type in charging as shown. Once you are done, go to the top right corner and tap on Done to save it. Following these steps, you can easily make iPhone speak when plugged into charge. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.